Alright guys, Robert is pulling his car in now. The Miata out there. We got boards laid down already. My camera's at 5%, so there's going to be a little missing footage somewhere in here probably. I'm not going to record again until Robert's at the driveway. It's going to be right there in a second. Look at that, there he is. About to be scraping. Hey, you got it? Oh, hi sir, there it is. Oh. Hey, look who's here, the rascal himself.
Can I drive it on those wood blocks so it's easier to get the jack under?
Sure.
Can we eat first?
Oh, this is what we're fixing, by the way.
Can we eat real fast?
Got stepped on. So, oh, dude, if you look at it from like right there, that is like Meat City.
Are they side steps?
Side steps, yeah, step on that.
Also, those. Wow.
My name's Kelly. This is Jack.
That was it.
I was really hoping he'd wake up and try to punch me or something. I'm gonna come with some more speed. Oh, please. You're not reacting. Oh! Is that big enough?
I think we can reuse my screws, honestly.
If we can't, are these fun?
Yeah, those would be perfect.
Alright, cool.
Probably just two.
Holy shit, that hot glue gun's on.
Yeah, I can smell it, dude.
Kids at home like that. I just got a little drip shot. Robert!
What?
Alright, what are you doing? Where are you going?
We're going upstairs. How's
Yeah, I know.
Wait. I don't see any dishes that you guys are gonna bring up. Did you bring them up already?
No, Matt's bringing them up. Okay, we're gonna fix Robert's side skirt here. He doesn't want to leave the electric tape on there, I guess.
Some punk looking shit.
I don't have a jack stand to offer
we
you.
should use this, Johnny.
Yeah, that's fine.
Some ghetto shit, but it's all good.
No jack stand though.
Nah. I don't even know if this is gonna fit.
Really?
We'll see. Really hope so. Cause we got this 2x4 under here.
Oh, dude.
What's that?
The Crucial.
The Crucial!
I love the Crucial.
Let's, I will,
Oh, man.
Oh, we said medium.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Crucial gets you every time. I might go down and force feed Matt the Crucial.
That's okay. I will work on this. We can update later.
My camera lags now when I zoom in. That's not good.
Not good. I think your camera's a little fucked up, guy. You have
Alright.
a drill?
A drill?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's two on the shelf right here in front of me.
Battery?
Well, one's electric,
Oh, okay, cool.
and there's extension cords all over the place, so.
Bet, sir. Thank you.
Yes, I will be back up to check on you shortly. I left my vape downstairs.
You need any screws?
No, I have some in the basement. Good? Whoa! Figured I'd stop down and give him some love.
Is it dark?
Amazingly not.
Really?
No, it's still like, it's getting dark though. Hold up, let me see. Take you guys out back. See the view I have at night. Sky looks really blue tonight, but it's really not. It's just gray, but you can't really tell. But really nice back here. Usually in the winter, you can see the mountains back there somewhere. Pretty cool. Did you break those wheels loose?
Yeah.
Alright, I like to believe that you had that knowledge.
Well, you think that this was like how it was driving?
Yeah.
Like just hand tight.
Alright, talk to the kids at home while you get a screwdriver in the battery.
My car was too low, so we raised this Johnny up a little bit. I mean, it was too low, man. I gotta daily drive this thing, you know? So right now, I have about 10 threads. We're gonna move it up probably another 10 to 20 threads. Yeah, I'm talking to myself, guy. Alright, so we're just raising this Johnny. Another 10 threads or so. Yeah, so my friend,
Mortal enemy.
got out of my car
My
and
mortal enemy.
stepped on my side skirt and just
Why
broke it the fuck
is
off.
this not a Phillips head?
I think it's just, oh, it's not.
What is it? I can't see.
It's like a,
Can you give me a flashlight?
It's probably a 6. It's like it's a socket size.
It's a socket?
Well, we can replace them with those screws downstairs.
Yeah, well, I have to get it out. Oh.
All right, well, I'm gonna put this wheel back on. All right, fuck you, guy. All right. Oh.
Did you drop the camera?
Nope.
Sounded like...
Nope. Did not do that.
It's focused, dude.
That is not focused. You ass banana.
Alright, no one cares what you're doing right now.
That's okay.
So I have to get this little S-beaner out.
Hey, it's Beaner.
What the hell?
What? Is it too small? Too big?
Oh, no, I got it. Never mind.
Okay.
It's a little bit smaller. It's probably American size, which is strange. Alright, we're gonna go find the correct socket because it's probably American. This 7 does not fit for whatever reason. So, I'll have to find the correct socket. So it's probably one of these, 9/32 or 1/4. If ain't that.
Fancy.
Oh, does this light work?
Oh!
I didn't know this was charged. I ran over it twice. Can you tell?
Oh. Oh. Not good.
Works though.
Still works.
Oh,
And it's a little fucked up. Mechanical agitation killer. There you go. Who are we looking for now?
we gotta go grab those screws from downstairs. You wanna do that?
Yes, I will do that.
and I'll set up Joe.
Okay.
Well, hold on. Do a transition right now. Black your hand and then unblock your hand.
Like, and we're back. All right, we found. We're gonna just get like. We'll get like 3 of these guys.
Those Johnnies.
Get 3 of those, and then we're gonna run back up to the basement. And we're back.
And we're back.
And we're back.
Alright, I would like to. Well, you.
I got the screws.
Okay, cool. Follow me. Now I got a drill bit. That should work. Hello? Oh! Oh!
Just Joe that Johnny straight up.
I'm having a little bit of difficulty getting it started though. Here, toss it out. There you go, little man.
Ooh, thank
You're welcome, little man. How's your nap?
I didn't go back to bed after you jumped on me.
Oh, that was my fault. Whoa!
That's cool.
Wow, that is kind of cool.
I didn't know. That's cool, kid.
Did you scratch it?
Oh no.
Whoa, it's good. So, what? What? Alright, we'll be right back. Oh, that's nice. If it stopped like right around here, you'd be. Oh, jeez.
Go higher.
Nah. Oh my god. Doctor!
Should we go higher? It's like a maze.
No, keep going down. Is that?
That's all the way down.
Oh, that's perfect.
That's perfect.
Oh, you're stunting.
I think I should make it a little higher. What is it even with the fronts? No.
No, it's a little bit lower.
at the back. I don't know. I think I should go up
Alright, get lifting then.
10 threads.
Get lifting. Yeah, 10 threads.
And then
15.
that'll be good.
13 threads.
13 threads.
Yeah, you really care about the snow, jeez.
There's a reason why, Kellen.
Because that means no school.
Sorry. Brings me back to my stripper days.
Still a young man, and it brings him back. I
So I
understand.
have my Pornhub account.
Can I have it? Is it
Yeah,
premium?
Yeah, my premium.
Ooh.
Ooh. I think.
I'm just trying to do my Pornhub account pop. You know, one time when I was like 14 years old, I got a gift card to Hollister for my birthday.
Yes.
And I went on Brazers.
Brazzers.
You can Brazzers. And you can redeem gift cards
No.
to get a membership.
No.
I got one for 16 days.
Wow.
Thanks,
He
Grandma.
also, thanks grandma. Yeah, it's a shot.
Soren Fitment.
Oh no!
You can always, if I decide I want to do that, yeah. All right.
Decide.
Should be easy. I already know where I need to go.
See that?
Yeah, I did. Getting everything on film right now. Whoa, that was cool. No! no! You gotta watch out for Matt. He might attack you. You never know. No! Well, here's Robert lifting his car with a screwdriver again. I don't think I'm gonna keep showing this.
Can't see it. It's not on the left.
Nah, it was pretty good. I can see it. Oh, he's not a Mexican. He's a Cholo.
That's the same thing.
Hey, oh, hey, man, solo!
God. Yeah, everyone buy a Hexagon. They're really great. They only cost $200 and stick to everything.
Everything has metal. Look, watch, right?
Let's get a magic trick. Oh man. Hey, flash those clips of Matt doing magic tricks. Got it. Whoa!
Wow, that was really good.
Nah, I was simply just covering.
Right here.
Heartburn alert! Right there. Boom.
Right here, heartburn alert. It'll settle a little bit.
Is that how you sleep at night? It'll settle, and that's your reason for not going lower. Not heartburn alert. Right here, not heartburn alert.
Come here, Chulo, help me.
Chulu?
Chulo!
Chulu!
Alright. It's all with the legs.
Wow.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Not even close, but you gave it a little more camber. It looked good. Whoa! That's a race car!
Come on, Chulo.
Here's front lip. Oh no. Oh no. Oh god. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Too much angle. I didn't realize. I didn't see. I wasn't paying that good of attention.
Oh, I think that's...
Oh. All right. Well, we'll be making another video on Robert's side skirts. It's not bad. It's just cracked.
What do you mean it's cracked?
What?
Let me see it.
What's the matter?
Ooh. Ah, fuck. Why didn't you tell me?
I didn't realize. No, it's not bad though. It's not bad though. Look
I
at that.
didn't
You
kick
can't
it.
tell. That was me. I
It's
didn't
really
really.
obnoxious
I didn't
after
kick it though.
fixing the other side. Helen could not bother to tell me that I was going
sorry,
off the
man.
side of his.
Okay. All right. Get it out of my driveway, dude.
I'm so glad I was on that side, dude.
No, you weren't. You were right there too.
I was on this side, you Chulo. Yes, I was, bitch.
All right. Pull it out, Rob. You got it. You can see at home. Rubbing in the front. Away he goes.
Dang, look at that side scar. I can see it from here.
Side scar. You can see the other side of the side skirt from here.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's about it for today. Sorry, this one was a little bit longer. That's what I was saying. We'll do it tomorrow, right? We'll make another video tomorrow. It's. Oh, that floor is cold, brother.
I think the people are over Scott's side skirt.
All right, let's everyone just drop a comment down below. Do you want Robert to have those side skirts? It makes
GoFundMe.
GoFundMe. Oh!
$1
Sponsor-
for side skirt.
It's gonna be hashtag sponsored Cholo.
Sponsor Dono!
Down video.
All right, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Hey, damn, Matt, you got two-step?
Yeah.
You got two-step? All right, hold up. Spool it up for me. Spool it up for me, dude. Oh, nitrous?
Give me 1 second.
That was a lot of nitrous.
No, it's not a lot. It was a 1500 shot.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. Whoa!
How much can we put in there?
Now, why is your exhaust PVC? Wait a second.
Boy.
Where's the motor?
Electric.